for this video, we're going to look at writing a quadratic function when we are given its graph. So looking at number 1, I have this quadratic function. Here we have to remember what our vertex form of a quadratic is, and that is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So I need to figure out what my a value is, what my h value is, and what my k is. Well, h and k come from my vertex. And so my vertex is always going to be the highest or lowest point in my parabola. Here I see it's my lowest point, and I see that that point is at -1, -3. So that means that my h is -1 and my k is -3. But now I need to figure out what my a is equal to. Well, remember that our a, we had that 1, 3, 5 rule, and that gave us a hint towards what our a is. And so I can see how much I go up on my very first point to the right and left of my vertex to see what my a value is. And so I see here from my vertex I go up 1, 2. So that means that my a value is going to be equal to 2. So plugging that all into my vertex form, I get that y is equal to a, which is 2, times x minus my h value, which is -1, squared plus my k value, which is -3. And simplifying that out, I get that y is equal to 2 times x plus 1 squared minus 3. Okay, let's look at one more. So here I'm going to first identify my vertex, and then I need to figure out what my a value is. Here my vertex is the highest point since my graph is opening down, and I see that that point is at -4, 2. And then I figure out what my a value is. So I want to see how much, in this case, my graph is going down on either side of my vertex. Here I see it goes down halfway. So it's going -1/2. So here my a value is -1/2. And it's negative because of my parabola opening down. So plugging that into my vertex form, I have that y is equal to a, which is -1/2, times x minus h, which is -4, squared plus k, which is 2. And so simplifying that, I have y is equal to -1/2 times x plus 4 squared plus 2.